open up. Let's go. This is flat and long. Oh, it's a t-shirt. Okay. Ann Arbor T-shirt Company, printed with pride in Ann Arbor, USA. Okay, what's in this? I don't know how to open it. There's no note. So maybe like this. Then I just rip it. Free promo, true. It's for Nick also. Oh, okay. I mean, let's see how big it is. Looks like it's good quality, so thank you. Yeah, and if you guys know like who sent it, you can spam it in chat. Cute! I love like thin material for shirts. Yes, and it's V-neck. I love V-neck shirts. Ah! For sure. After my eating challenge, I love this. Thank you so much. I love this so I'm not kidding you. I will be wearing this. I will be wearing this. Maybe my next eating challenge, I might wear this because, you know, call back to the last one, or when I reattempt it, if I do. Thank you, whoever sent this. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That was fast. Yes, I think it was like express shipping. I'll put it over here on the pile. Next, we can do this. This was priority mail. Ooh, I think I have. Based off the address, I think I know. That sounds weird, but it's because it's from the same hometown as Nick. And I know one viewer who is from there, but it could be someone else too. I'm thinking Benny A minus. Ooh, is it? Wait, I can see the name. Yes, it is. It's from Benny A minus. Thank you. Oh my God, it's Nick the Fox. Hey, I have so many reels of him. Or like videos of him on my feed on Twitter. Yes, we have Nick the Fox and Judy the bunny. Wee, wee, wee. Thank you so much. Yay! Can live out my dreams. Thank you, Benny A minus. Perfect gift. Perfect. Okay, next. We have this over here. What? Okay, it is. Ooh, we have a note. Let me see. From Base Daddy. Here's a Tesla so you don't have to Uber anymore. Wow, my Christmas wish of a car has been granted. Wow. It's a Tesla. Whee! I finally got my Tesla, guys. Thank you, Base Daddy. Thank you. I'll put it on the table. Thank you. Okay. Let's do this one. Let's open it up. All right. We have, oh! Let's see the note. For a future stream, hee hee, from HD and Chris. Hello, HD and Chris. It's another puzzle. Hello, super cool 94. Thank you for the 5. You get a ball. Okay, so this seems like the hardest puzzle ever. Is there a picture on it? There is no picture. It's just clear. So hopefully there's wait. Is it an all-white puzzle? Okay.